Did Mansa Abu Bakari, the second king of Mali Kingdom, sail to the Americas in 1311 AD? What if he did? What if there is proof? Are there any oral stories in his kingdom about it? Let's explore what we have found so far. In the 1500s, Cabeza de Vaca and his men became shipwrecked. They traveled from Spain to the Americas. He wrote about seeing inhabitants called the Maliocones, Doganes, and Mendica near modern-day Galveston, Texas. This info can be found in the narrative of Alvar Núñez Cabeza de Vaca, written by de Vaca himself. Could this be the Dogon and Mandinkas? Both are in the region of the Mali Kingdom. If so, how did they get to the shores of the Americas? Is this a coincidence? Could Malaya Oconese that de Vaca met be the people of Mali Kingdom? Could the Doguines and Mendica be the Dogons and Mendinka or Mandinka people of Mali Kingdom area? The more interesting aspect of this is that the Dogon people and Mendinka or Mandinka people lived in Mali Kingdom. Mendinka people are also called Mandingo. Many still live there today. Do you have DNA from Mali or the surrounding areas that were a part of Mali Kingdom? Do you honor that part of your ancestry with cultural celebrations? Join us on Patreon to see the full video and much more. See the link in the description. Learn how to search for Africa-born relatives using your autosomal DNA test results. Our African reconnections with our continental African relatives are real and meaningful.